Your e-commerce business with Ecommerce Service India. Are you struggling to keep up with the demands of your e-commerce business? From managing accounts to optimizing listings and driving sales, it can all feel overwhelming. But what if there was a way to streamline everything and achieve exceptional growth effortlessly? Where we turn your e-commerce challenges into opportunities for success. Our team of seasoned professionals is dedicated to elevating your brand with comprehensive, tailored solutions. Here's how we do it. Exceptional account management. We handle your daily operations, from inventory updates and order processing to customer interactions, ensuring your business runs smoothly. High-impact product listings. Our experts create optimized, eye-catching product listings with detailed descriptions, professional images, and strategic keywords to rank higher in search results. Innovative sales strategies. We design and execute targeted promotional campaigns and effective advertising solutions to drive traffic and increase conversions. Multi-platform mastery. Whether it's Amazon, Flipkart, Myntra, or any other platform, we manage your presence with precision and consistency, maximizing your reach and performance. Strategic brand building. We help build a strong, cohesive brand identity through strategic marketing initiatives, social media engagement, and influencer partnerships. Transparent reporting and analytics. Stay informed with our detailed performance reports and analytics, offering clear insights and actionable data to refine your e-commerce. Testimonials from satisfied clients and success stories. Client 1. Partnering with Ecommerce Service India was the best decision for our business. Our sales have skyrocketed, and their team handles everything seamlessly. Client 2. The professionalism and dedication of Ecommerce Service India are unmatched. They truly care about our success and go above and beyond to deliver results. Back to the professional office environment with the team. At Ecommerce Service India, we're committed to your success. Our team works tirelessly to ensure your brand not only meets but exceeds its potential. Elevate your e-commerce business with your company name. Contact us today and let's achieve extraordinary growth together. Don't just manage your e-commerce, master it with Ecommerce Service India. Subscribe to our channel for more tips and insights on how to succeed in the e-commerce world. Hit the bell icon to stay updated. DM us on esindi03@gmail.com.